Listen up. The game has changed. Attention is everything. Where is it? It's on video. Everyone is watching all day, every day. If you're not there, you are losing. Big time. Why video, you ask? It grabs eyeballs fast. Think about your feed. What stops your scroll? Moving pictures, sound? Text is okay. Images too, but video is king. It cuts through noise. It demands attention now. People prefer watching. It's easier, more fun. Learning something new? Video. Checking out a product? Video. Your customers want it. They expect it now. Don't disappoint them. Give them video. Or they'll find someone who will. The numbers are crazy. Video views are exploding. YouTube, TikTok, Reels. It's a video world. This isn't a fad. It's the main event. Small biz needs to adapt. Get with the program. Video is your future. Video builds your brand. It makes you real. People buy from people, not faceless companies. Show your face. Share your voice. Let them see you. Build that connection. Trust is everything here. Want more eyes on you? Create shareable stuff. What gets shared most? You guessed it, video. Funny, helpful, inspiring. Make good video. People will spread it. That's free advertising. That is pure gold. Every share, a thumbs up. Every comment, a chat. Video gets people talking. It sparks emotion. It tells better stories. The social buzz matters. It helps you grow, reaching new customers without spending tons. Build your tribe. Video helps you do it. Go live, answer questions, show what happens daily, behind the scenes. Be authentic. Be you. People will stick around. They become your fans, your loyal customers. Let's talk SEO, getting found on Google. Video is your friend. Google owns YouTube. Connect the dots. Videos help you rank. People stay on your site. Google sees this. It boosts your page. More ways to get seen. Video search results. You see those thumbnails? That could be your biz. Make relevant videos. Use good keywords, titles, descriptions, tags. Help Google find you. Help customers find you. Need video ideas? Easy. Show your products. How do they work? What problems do they solve? Product demos are great. Customer testimonials too. Let happy clients talk. Their words are powerful. Builds instant trust. More smart ideas now. Go behind the scenes. Show your team working. How-to guides are huge. Teach something valuable. Answer common questions. Short tips work well. Be real, be helpful. That's what people want. Worried about money? Stop right there. Video doesn't need cash, not a ton anyway. Your phone is a camera, a good one too. Free editing apps exist. Start simple. Be real. Value matters most. Where are your people? Put videos there. YouTube is a must. It's a search giant. But don't stop there. Instagram Reels, quick. TikTok if it fits. Facebook video is big. LinkedIn for business too. Video is flexible. So many ways to use it. Short clips for fast hits. Longer ones for deep dives. Live video for now. Recorded for polish. Match video to your goal. Sales, awareness, education. You decide the play. So what's the final word? Start making videos. Not tomorrow, today. Don't chase perfect. Just hit record. Do it. Your business needs this. To connect, to grow. No more excuses, okay? Go make it happen.